1992 Topps Cello Pack Box. This will be video 2 of 2, Cello Pack 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled. Also to see what rookie cards we're looking for, as well as what 100 cards we're looking for. There are no error cards where corrected cards were made for 1992 Topps. 34 cards in the Cello Pack. Now, unfortunately, this box may have been kept in an area that had some moisture to it, so we have incurred some dark staining on the cards. Usually this back card, and there's a bunch of spots on the back card. A little bit on the edges here. Not too bad on the edges, though. So we're going to keep these cards in the order that they were in for the most part, so that we can scrutinize them later, weed out the ones that have those dark stains. There's the Match the Stats Win Game card. We do hang on to these. We've got Brian Harvey. Will the Thrill. Very nice on the Will Clark. We'll take that. Topps All-Star Rookie. Gold Cup card of Milt Kyler. Mike Socia. Gary Carter for the Dodgers. A little weird to see that. Rest in peace to Gary. Unfortunately, he passed away. Rick DeLucia. Paul Gibson. Gilberto Reyes. Jeff Fasaro. Mark Guthrie. Tim Cruz. John Olerud, very nice. That's a not his rookie card, unfortunately. It's got some staining there, so we'll probably end up having to toss that one. Rene Gonzalez. Bob Ojeda. Kurt Stillwell. Warren Newson. B.J. Surhoff, got a bit of a dark spot there. Scott Scudder. Bill Wegman. Walt Terrell. Felix Jose. Gerald Young. Dan Plesac. Nice. National League All-Star card of Howard Johnson. Love getting a Hojo. We'll take it. Mike Gardner. Ced Landrum. Chico Walker. Roger McDowell. Darren Dalton. Eddie Whitson. Brian Drummond. Nice. Ken Griffey Jr. Very nice on the Griffey Jr. card. Not seeing any staining on it too, so that's a plus. Manager of the Los Angeles Dodgers at the time, Tom Lasorda. Looks like we've got some great players. Got Oral Hershiser, Gary Carter. Very nice on that. We'll take that. And finally, Tom Candiotti. All right, folks, there you have it. 1992 Topps. 34 card Cello Pack from the box. Video 2 of 2, Pack 2 of 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.